Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBP, JPY for the week. And sorry for making this video very late. I had an issue with the channel that I was trying to resolve. So we will start with the weekly time frame by the way. So you can see if you are following this channel consistently, you can see how we actually rejected at this level. You know, I've highlighted this level and we talked about rejecting at this level. So price has pushed up. So this week that just finished, GBPJPY gave us a bullish move. Literally, we actually made about 400 piece bullish move, which I think I grabbed about 200 of it. Out of the 400, I grabbed about 200. So this week that we will be predicting on GBPJPY, we would also be getting a bearish move. You all know that week that just finished, we closed bullish. So this week that we are predicting for on GBPJPY, definitely GBPJPY for this week we close bearish. So expect a drop on GBP to JPY. So expect more bullish move on JPY by the way. So this is your JPY index, right? This is the JPY move, an higher highs and higher lows. So let's start this today, an higher highs and then an higher lows being formed here. If you take a look at this, you'll see an higher highs, then an higher lows here. If you take a look at this, you see an higher highs, then an higher lows. If you take a look at this, a new high is being formed and an higher lows here. Then if you see it, a new high has been formed and now this is a pullback, which is an higher lows. By the way, since this price has not taken out this lows, which I believe it will not even take it out, it will never even get there. So what I believe is JPY index will drop a bit. Maybe this candlestick week you can see here, this liquidity level you can see here. Maybe JPY can drop there, then it will start pushing up. So once this JPY starts pushing up, then any other pairs you are trading to your JPY will definitely fall. So this is one of the reasons why I said once that JPY start going bullish, then GBP will actually drop. So expect a bearish move for this week on GBP JPY. By the way, we are still trading below this 10 period simple moving average, so still a drop by the way. And if you see this level that price pushed up, we can see that there's a rejection, which should now take us to the daily time frame. So we can see on the daily time frame. So if you are following consistently, we can see that there was kind of like a drop. Then once price give us this level, go back. Notice that this is kind of like a mid good level. Then once price dropped, we actually had another bullish move. You can see prior to this same level, we had a rejection. Now price rejected from this level. Now that price has given us another bullish move from here, we expect price to also reject from this level again. So let's see if it will go up a bit. Like I said, expect a little bit of a bullish move on GBPJPY. Once that little bit, then you would expect a drop again. So for this week, GBP to JPY should actually go bearish. So currently we are trading at 160. Let's see by the time this week we finish, we will be trading at a level of 156. So GBP to JPY this week should give us a bearish move, should definitely drop. And this is the forward time frame by the way. So if you can see a rejection was made there was a rejection that was made there, even a rejection was made there. So we expect a rejection to play out here. So GBP JPY a drop again for this week.